Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to underline in Google Sheets. Perfect for sprucing up your spreadsheets in 2025 and beyond. If you're dealing with data that needs a little emphasis, underlining is a simple way to make it stand out. Whether you're a student, professional, or just organizing your personal finances, this trick will save you time and effort. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have Google Sheets open. If you don't have a sheet ready, create a new one by going to sheets.google.com and clicking blank. Step 1. Select the cell or the specific text you want to underline. Just click on the cell, or if it's text within a cell, double-click to enter edit mode and highlight the text. This is key because underlining works on both entire cells and selected text. Step 2. Head to the top toolbar. You'll see a bunch of formatting icons. Look for the one that looks like a capital U, with a line underneath it. That's the underline button. Give it a click, and watch your selected text get underlined instantly. If you prefer the menu route, go to the Format tab at the top of the screen. From there, hover over Text, and select Underline from the drop-down. It's that straightforward. For speed demons out there, use keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, it's Ctrl+U, and on Mac, it's Command+U. Just select your text and press the keys. Super efficient for repetitive tasks. One quick tip. Underlining might behave differently if you're working with numbers or formulas, so test it out. Also, remember that this feature is available on both desktop and mobile versions of Google Sheets, though the interface might vary slightly on apps. There you have it. Underlining in Google Sheets made easy. This small feature can make your documents look more professional and organized. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other Google Sheets questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.